ones out, put some billet ones. So this is what I have for the CVO right now. I got the red grips going on there, along with the Thrashin billet bushings, some solid ones. And let's go over here. So I already got everything out, removed the levers, the bushings. Now, this is what we got. I went with the mid-bar, the mid-bent Thrashin bars. These bars look awesome. They're not very tall. They look real nice. And I also purchased this billet throttle tube. I usually like to get the billet ones because they have the little knurled grip right here. All this right here makes the grip stay on pretty well, like really good on there. So a lot of places were out of stock on this. I was actually lucky that Thrashin had it in stock. So I got that one. Now, what else did we get? So I went with the 9.5 risers. Look at this. So beautiful, really good quality. No scratches on them. I had purchased some from LA Choppers last week, but when I received them, I noticed that there was marks all over them. So I sent those back, which I still haven't got the refund yet. They said they were gonna process that soon, but it's taking a while for them to do that. Now Thrashin, I ordered these and they shipped them right away. They got here today. Probably took like 4 days or so for them to arrive. But these bars look awesome. Look at that. So yep, I'll be installing this today. There's a process on this bike. Got the Samsung all blacked out windshield. I really like it. And it doesn't block my view or anything. I'm looking above. Speaker lids are coming on Friday, so I should be installing them on Saturday most likely. But exhaust is next. I believe it arrives next week, so I'm going with the Thunder header for that one. Let's get to it. The Thrashin bushings have a little play, but it's normal. I called customer service and was told that was normal. All right, so what I'm doing now is I'm running the wires. I actually just finished running the wires. Completely done running them left and right. I use this type of wire, and then I taped some black tape on here and pulled through. So that's usually how I run these wires, and it has always worked for me, so keep using this one. All right, so this is what the bars look like. Now it's perfect, spins properly, and that's what we want. The other side is on right now. That's what it looks like on there. And about to get this one ready. These new throttle controls are really easy to work on. Basically all plug and play. Once you have the wires, you just gotta plug them in there. One of them is gonna be empty, and that usually is the one for the heated grips to connect to. So that one we're gonna leave alone. So we're gonna plug this one back in here. And that's it right there. We got the two. Then we're gonna lock it in. There you go. Everything's very easy, plug and play. That connects to the levers. So this is it for the installation. We got the nacelle back on. Put everything back. I zip tied the wires here. That way they're cleaner, looks better. And yep, this concludes everything. Got the red grips. Everything's all lined up nicely. All right, until the next one, guys. Peace.